Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the recent software update which I have received on the POCO X3 device. As you can see friends, so right now I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone and let's see what is the recent update. And most of the users, you might receive this kind of update before itself. And in this video, I'll try to explain what are the features and what is the size of the update as well. And one more thing friends, every time I do get this kind of software update in the POCO X3, I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test as well, so I can compare the test results from the before versions to the latest versions to check whether is there any improvement in the performance or not. And after using this update for the couple of days, even I'll be back on the battery life testing as well. So if the battery life got fixed or not, so I'll be using myself the POCO X3 for one day and I'll be seeing the battery statistics as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming days for more details on the POCO X3. So make sure to check the links in description friends for live wallpaper what I'm using. And the software update version what I received is 12.0.8, and you might receive this kind of update before itself, as I said. So some of the users, if you did not receive this kind of update, so just wait for a couple of days, you'll receive this update. So the new update size is of 2.3 GB, as you can see friends. So which is a kind of really huge size. So as soon as I saw this kind of a huge size, I immediately thought there must be some kind of significant improvement in terms of the software features, and a lot of things must have added, but that's not the case unfortunately. So let me just quickly select what's new. As you can see, updated the Android security patch to Feb 2021. As you can see, this is just an Android security patch. I'm not sure why the size is of close to 2.3 GB. So usually the size of the Android security patch will be around 200 MB or 300 MB, so max 400 MB, but 2.3 GB size is quite a huge size, I would say, definitely. So I'll try to download this update right now and I'll try to test the Antutu benchmark test as well after updating to the latest this version. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more details on this particular POCO X3. And in case if you're having any other doubts regarding the POCO X3, any other problems, so make sure to comment below. So there are a couple of issues: battery issues, low network issues, and loudspeaker vibration issues. So apart from this, if you notice any other problems, so do let me know in the comments below. I'll try to search and I'll try to find a solution, and if possible I can make a video on that particular topic as well. So as I said, make sure to subscribe and thank you for watching this video friends. So this is just normal video, so where I'll be showing the basic features and the size. So it's pretty simple. So 2.3 GB of size, and no features got added, only the Android security update. So overall the phone feels kind of really smooth during this time of usage, so no issues in terms of the performance in this phone. Only problem was with the heating issues and battery draining issues. So let's see whether those got fixed in this update or not. And thank you friends for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.